guys, and welcome back to my 10 days of Halloween. Today is day 4 and I'm going to be sharing with you fun Halloween snacks. If you haven't heard already, I am doing a fun little giveaway, so make sure you read all about it in the description box below. The first part of this video, you will need some mini marshmallows, some chocolate chips, some gummy worms, and last but not least, Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal. I went online and found these Halloween little clip arts, and then I gave them some fun names. Bought wallet-sized plastic picture frames and I slid them right in so that they could be the display card for our fun Halloween snacks. I'm going to be displaying the snacks in this 4-compartment plastic tray. I also found this one at Walmart as well. So for the first one, I'm loading it up with chocolate chips, and these will represent witches' warts. If you think that's gross, try eating some ghost poop. If you don't like ghost poop, maybe you'll like some wiggly worms. If witch warts, ghost poop, and wiggly worms aren't satisfying your appetite, I'm pretty sure you'll love yourself some monster scabs. I don't know anyone who doesn't like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I think that is my #1 cereal that I love and can't wait to drink the milk from the bowl once I'm done with this cereal. Am I the only one? Now that they are all served up in the platter, I like to put some tongs next to each of them and some clear cups. This will give my guests or my children the freedom to just help themselves to these snacks. And this has been a Halloween tradition that I've done for many years for them. During the Halloween evenings, they can just help themselves through even more sweets as if they didn't have enough already. But it's always fun just to have this around the house during this one day out of the year. These are just a few ideas that you can use. Another one that I used in the past was jack-o'-lantern's teeth, which I use candy corn for that. Speaking of candy corn, I'm going to be using it for our popcorn hands. So for this, you'll need popcorn, some ribbon, candy corn, and you'll also need some clear food-safe gloves. Instead of movie butter styled popcorn, I say get rid of that and bring in the good stuff. Here I have a variety of Samurai brand popcorns, and I love it because it's candy coated, which really holds the freshness and crispness to the popcorn. Great for projects like this. Plus, it's Halloween. We have to use candied popcorn. They sell it in bulk, which is great for party favors. I'll leave all their information in the description box below. Now to put this all together, we're gonna start off with 5 candy corns. These candies will represent the fingernails of this popcorn hand. Next, you're gonna go in and pour in your popcorn, and I decided to go with the Moana, which is their sweet and salty popcorn. Once you get your popcorn in there, you're going to want to shake it, massage it, wiggle it, do whatever it takes to get the popcorn down to the fingertips. Also, don't worry about the candy corn fingernails. We're going to adjust them and reposition the nails after we're done tying it up. So once you have all the popcorn packed down to the fingertips and a good amount to fill up the palm, go ahead and secure it by twisting it and tying it with some ribbon. You can even add a little Happy Halloween tag on here, but I'm just going to curl the ribbon and call it a day. Once you have it secured, go back down to the candy corn and readjust them so that they are positioned as the fingernails once again. And that's it, guys. That's how you make some Halloween themed snacks. It's fun for kids, fun to pass out. You can even add this into goodie bags, whatever you want. Be creative. Hopefully this video inspired you or gave you some ideas so that you can kickstart your Halloween spirit. It is gonna happen really quick. Halloween is right around the corner, and I just want to let you know that things are flying off the shelf. I had to go to 4 different stores to find these darn candy corns. By the way, did you spot today's secret word? If not, make sure you go back and find it because you'll need it in order to win the prize giveaway. Good luck, and I will see you guys tomorrow in my day 5 of 10 days of Halloween. Bye, guys.